Hey there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Eaze Work. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged into your Eaze Work account in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap into that. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in Eaze Work login. And here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And there you go, you'll be logged into your Eaze Work login page. You'll be greeted with your login page. All we gotta do is fill in this empty fields. Let's type in the URL. That is I'm typing random numbers, but make sure you tap in your correct informations. I'm hoping you have an account, so yeah, just type in your information. And it's time for the username. At the second field, let's type in our username and where's your password. Since you have already filled in all these empty fields, if you want this site to remember your information, you can tap in the tiny square box like that and it will be marked, but let's leave it like that for now. And if you've forgotten your login credentials like username and password, you don't need to worry at all. You can tap in this option that literally says I forgot my login credentials. Just tap in there and it will help you through. And that's it. Since all the fields are filled, we have all the fields also filled with the information. All we gotta do now is hit that login button and you will be logged into your Eaze Work account. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics, like, share, do you know the drill. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.